Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and I shall get to it. So this was actually slightly more difficult to capture purely because of the eyes. She had a bit of, it was quite a groove in her eye socket and then a slight fold at the corner of her eye, so it's quite difficult to capture and not make it so cluttered and cloudy and muddy in the actual sketch. I did try, and I think the third one actually captures it quite well. 3 minutes 10 seconds for the first one, 2.5 minutes for the second, and 3 minutes for the third. As per usual, geometric and observational methods combined with good speed, creating the feedback loop where you get the analysis and everything for you to progress effectively and efficiently. If you'd like more information on these methods, let me know, contact me and I shall send you some information, or I can do a separate video. Thanks guys.